Everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can upload high quality picture on your Instagram stories. So let's start the video. So first of all, you have to check that your Instagram app is updated. To check that, you have to go to your Play Store and search your Instagram and see if your your app is updated or not. If you see the open button here, that means your app is updated. Otherwise you have to update your Instagram application. But if you want to make sure, all you have to do is install your Instagram ID app and reinstall it. That in that moment your Instagram app will be updated correctly. Then all you have to do is go to your Instagram app and click your profile icon on bottom right corner and click those straight three lines on top of your right and go to settings. Now scroll down and go to accounts. Now scroll down a little bit and click cellular data uses here. You have to make sure that data server is turned off like this, and also turn on the upload at highest quality here. Now your picture and your stories will be uploaded in high quality. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. See you on next video.